Hello, it's your boy. You made a comment on the Palmolive dish soap video I made washing my clothes. So you asked me about Gain. So I have some Gain here. The Ultra Clean Aroma Boost, which is a very good detergent. It's the original scent. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to squirt just one squirt there. Okay. And then I'm going to put my clothes in. Okay, I put my clothes in. This is a HE machine. So let me get started. And I will show you in the end how clean these clothes came out. Whether they smelled fresh or, you know. I think you're going to like using the Gain. I think it's even, it may be even a little better than the Palmolive because of the scent. Okay, so I'm going to get this started. Six. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. So I will come back when it's finished. Okay, my machine is a little dusty here. Okay, and it's gonna be 32 minutes. Okay, it's your boy. It's about to stop soon. Okay, my clothes are done. I'm going to take it out and let you see whether they got clean enough, and I will tell you what it smell like, okay? Okay, it's your boy. These are my clean clothes. Look how bright the colors are. These are my masks. And it smells so good and so clean. You saw I did a small load. If you have a bigger load, a real big load, you probably will have to put a squirt and a half of that Gain dish detergent. But I tell you something, it will save you money and it smells good. And I actually like the smell better than that Palmolive. Even though that worked very well, I like Palmolive. Seems like they changed the fragrance to this Gain Ultra Clean, and look how bright that towel is. This is my shirt, my mask, my lounging dress, and this is a top that I wear. Okay, so I did this video just for you. Thanks for commenting, and I will be back soon with more videos.